the Crocodile. Vector is a really cool character from the Sonic universe. You might have seen him. I think he's like on Team Knuckles or something like that. But really cool design. I want to draw him, and somebody requested it, so we are going to go into this Crocodile, okay, from the Sonic universe. Very, very simple, and I think relatively easy if you're a beginner, okay? Well, let's go through it. It's going to be an 8-minute video. Stay all the way to the very end. Pause as you need, because there's a lot of stuff on him, but he's relatively easy. But just pause as you need it. Stay to the whole drawing. It's only an 8-minute lesson, and you'll have that whole thing in your long-term memory. So let's get started. Alrighty, let's jump in here. First thing I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna draw a curve right here for the end of the nose, right? Because he's a crocodile. Line over here. Pull underneath, and then back here you're gonna have the other nostril sticking up. Line there for the whole of the nostril. Curve down. Line up here. It's gonna be like a tooth sticking out. Curve over here. Curve underneath. Alright. Line back all the way, kind of that snout of the crocodile. Curve. Line over here up. And then curve over here. I think I saw this guy a lot in the comics, mostly. I don't know what games he was in. I know he was in some games, some Sonic games, but I can't really remember. Line down. Up. Curve underneath, down. Line over here. Up over here. Down. Line over here up for the top of the head, the brow. Curve down. Over here, line for the other thing, the brow on this side. Curve right here for the bottom of the eye. Curve over here for the bottom of the eye. Line, line. Line back. Out, down, curve. We're gonna have that headphone on the side. Line over here for the other part of the headphone. And now we're gonna go over here for the top of them. Out, down. Out over here, down. This side, back. Right here, we're gonna let it smile, right? It's gonna be the parting of the mouth. Let me know if you do remember this guy though. Like his image is very striking. So I can't quite place what Sonic game he was in, but I just remember him mostly from the comics. Curve back here, line up. Let's go over here and draw the chain over here. He's got like a chain. Line, line. So if I can go right here and make like a block, and then a block on the inside. Then over here on this side, line, line for the chain in the back. Line over here on this side. Line over here. Just kind of connecting these chains. Line over there. And let's go over here. Line down for kind of the top of the back here. Curve down. Curve over here. Line down. Line down. Over here on this side, curve. down for the body area. And then that's going to slide down into his foot first. So he's got his foot over here. Line. His shoe is going to be out, down, and it's going to be wide over here. And it's going to pull up. Curve over here, down, forward, up. Line over here. Down. Curve underneath, up. Alright, that's that leg. Over here on this leg, I'm going to grab his chest. Down. It's got a wide chest. Over here, I'm going to pull it downward here. Give me that kind of snake belly area, but really he's a crocodile. And I'm going to go on this side and find the leg on this side. Down, down. He's got like a tube-like leg. Cross. Downward. Back. Over in this side. Curve down. Another layer right here for these sneakers he's got. Out over here. Up. Down. Curve. Down. Curve. Go over here. Out. Down. Line over here. Down. Curve. Curve over here for the thumb. Down, down, down. Curve over here, down over here. Go over here, line, line. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, 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 curve. Right there. Over here. Finger. Line over here. Curve, curve, curve. Out. Down right there for the wrist. He's got like these gauntlets. Curve, curve, over here, down, over here underneath, one underneath, curve underneath here, and we're going to draw a couple of lines down there as well. He's got this like, I don't know, very powerful kind of alligator, hip alligator look. Let me draw another line over here for the top. It just looks like the top of his boat. We want to make that look more like headphones over here on that side. But really, really cool design, I think. He's one of the designs that really stood out to me in that Sonic universe. But, yeah, boy. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.